Meaning of Divali.
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 Divali. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is a Hindu festival celebrated annually with great enthusiasm in India and other parts of the world. It signifies the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. During Diwali, people decorate their homes with lights and diyas, exchange gifts with loved ones, and indulge in traditional sweets and delicacies. The festival also has religious significance, with prayers offered to the goddess of wealth and prosperity, Lakshmi. Overall, Diwali is a time for joy, togetherness, and celebration.